Hello everyone, Caleb again here with Texas Quality Assurance, and this video is going to cover how to add equipment to the calibration and maintenance area. If you've seen the intro video, we talked about all the different types of areas here. So for this video, real quick, we're just going to go into how to add new equipment or existing equipment. So if you're a new customer, you haven't added any equipment yet, just navigate over here to this calibration and maintenance area. We're going to click equipment list. It's going to bring us into this list right here. You can see we've got a couple of example entries here for this demonstration, but we'll go ahead and click new. Now this is all pretty straightforward. This device ID, that's going to be basically the distinct serial number, describer, whatever you have that describes your piece of equipment that's specific to that single piece of equipment. This shouldn't be replicated anywhere else. So if you've got multiple weld machines, maybe this weld machine is going to be 105 or 106 or that kind of thing. So just determine what you want to use for your device ID. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add all of these values in here to the best of our knowledge. Some of them might not be applicable, so we'll just do like a truck 164. We're going to select all of the calibration and maintenance tasks that apply. So if you haven't built out those tasks yet, you can kind of finish this and then just save and come back and select this at another time. Or if you want to head over to the calibration and maintenance tasks, that'll be another video. You can go build out your possible tasks. But we've got some in here, so we'll go ahead and add those. Let's do a tire rotation. We're going to do an oil change, and then we're going to do a tune-up. So we're telling this equipment list that this truck needs all of this required maintenance and required calibration and maintenance tasks. So size, not really applicable here. Maybe it'd be some 12-inch calipers or, a 12-ton crane or something like that. Or you can put the size. Maybe you got a 1500 or something like that. No, we got to be cooler than that. Let's do 3500. We'll do status is active, equipment type. We could call it a truck, or you could call it, a more specific kind of truck, that kind of thing. And here's where you want to put the hour or the mileage in. So we'll pretend this truck's, it's a little bit used, so it's got 40,000 miles on it. Serial number, you could put VIN, whatever you want here. We'll just make up something there. Okay, and first date of use, we'll say that we're using that today. Manufacturer will be a Ford here, kind of a Chevy Ford. Your make and model 88, and we'll call that Ford C250. All right, so we've got our information in here. If you were entering this on your phone, you could take a picture, or if it's a smaller piece of equipment, you could use your webcam here. Just click this camera button down here. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. Now we've got our new piece of equipment here. We got truck 164, all that information that we added. We didn't add a picture here, so that's okay. You can, like I said, you can come back and edit this on your phone if you'd like, and actually take a picture of the truck, or you could drive it into your office and use your webcam that way, whatever you want to do. So anyway, that pretty much wraps up adding equipment to the equipment list. Try and keep this a little shorter here, so if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.